Hi there guys, this is LRC16. This is our clear coat lacquer leather finish. So this is either going to replace the lacquer coating on your leather if it's actually peeled off, which you can use as a standalone product to do that, to reseal the surface of your leather, making it more durable once again, or it's to be used in the restoration process once you've actually repainted the surface like we've done here. You would then obviously re-lacquer that surface, which you can either spray the LRC16 on with an airbrush or you can apply with a sponge. So give it a little bit of a shake prior to using. Simply unscrew the cap, get some of the lacquer on your sponge and wipe in first of all if you want to, and then stipple this on in a stippling motion, ensuring that you cover all areas to make sure that you've got it into all parts of the leather and deep into the grain. So you're just going to simply sponge that on like so with a stippling motion. If you do get areas where you create like these bubbles that you see here, there are ways that we can get rid of those. There is a video on YouTube where you can get rid of those, but we'll do a quick demonstration for you now as well. So you would use a hairdryer on speed 1 and put your hand in front of it with your fingers slightly open wide so that you can hit it like this with the hairdryer and it will pop the bubbles and disperse them and get rid of them. So we'll put it on speed 1 and you're just going to flip the hairdryer over like so. Very, very quickly, and it just disperses them and gets rid of them. Then you can dry as normal. This is your what they call a polyurethane coating that you're sort of putting on there to seal the leather surface and the repainted areas, or to seal or to reseal your leather again. You know, where the clear coat lacquer may have sort of become very thin and worn away. It dries very, very quickly, as you can see, and you know it's very, very durable once dry, and it's very, very quick to dry, as you can see. You know, you can give that a good rub already, and it's actually very, very good. It comes in 3 different versions. This particular version that we're using is the matte on the LRC16 clear coat lacquer finish. You get a gloss and you can actually get a satin as well. Beauty with these is you can mix them to any sheen level you actually so desire. So if you wanted to create a different sheen level to the matte, the satin or the gloss, you can do by mixing all 3 of these together to create different sheen levels. So that is LRC16 clear coat lacquer finish for reviving your leather, sealing the surface, or replacing the lacquer finish that's worn out. LRC16 lacquer finish.